and I'm the Assistant Secretary General for Africa in the Department of Peace Operation, as well as the Department of Political and Peacebuilding Affairs, United Nations, based in New York. Well, you are discussing peace and security, and all the work that the Department of Peace Operation and Political and Peacebuilding Affairs are doing is related to the peace and security dimension of the global world, but also focusing on Africa. And in the context of focusing on Africa, Horn of Africa and the recent development, which, as everybody agrees, has been like surprising everyone in a good sense, and the tectonic change is of course of concern to me, because this is my day every day, and work with my collaborators in New York to support the countries, and doing this through support to the African Union, because as part of the vision of the Secretary General and the effort of the subsidiarity, we are supporting the efforts coming from the continent. So African Union, and then in the context of the sub-regional organization, IGAD is the one which we are supporting, because they are the ones who are brokering the deals in terms of peace negotiations, peace agreement, etc. Well, I believe AU, you will have to ask AU directly, because I'm talking as UN partnering with African Union. So for us, the key is ensuring that the diplomatic overture is sustained, and if anything we can do through the UN presence in the Horn of Africa, through the special representative of the Secretary General, or even through the special envoy, because we have now a new envoy, and for the first time we have been appointed Mr. Parfait Onyanga to be the special envoy of the Secretary General for the Horn of Africa, which shows the importance that the Secretary General accords to the Horn of Africa. So with all of the people and also the missions that we have in the field, we have UNSOM in Somalia, we have UNMISS in South Sudan, we have UNAMID in Darfur, and so forth and so on. We are doing our best through good officers, through support to the rule of law, to the support to the security sectors, with our uniformed personnel, police also, to help all the countries, and being in a facilitation role, basically. Well, I think for me, basing my comment on the 2 days of discussions which have taken place here in Tana, when we have a situation where it has to become shared resources, I believe this is a way to go, because everyone has to be in a win-win situation. So I think if we move with that spirit, we should be able to coexist in a pacific manner, and not undermining the interest of the countries that are on the shore, as well as those who are not on the shore.
Exactly.
So shared resources in a spirit of cooperation. For me, it's a wealth of experience and knowledge which is accumulated in one place at one point in time, and having access to that knowledge and networks to further the work that we are doing. So the partnership. So let's put it the other way around. UN is supporting the government, the countries, the people to do what they have to do in terms of implementing policies and everything. So we are not the implementers per se. We are facilitating, mobilizing resources, providing the technical expertise, assistance, everything on the ground for the people in the country, the leaders in the country, to take responsibility and charge. This is the only way.